guys, this is Jessica. Welcome to Lopo TV. Today I bring you our new release mats. Hope you will like it and can support your business. Floor mat is an important part in home decoration and potential market is big, since every family would need the floor mat. It is widely used in different places, indoor and outdoor, kitchen, side, front door, bedroom, bathroom, or any location that sees a good amount of foot traffic. Today we launched 3 kinds of mats: bath mat, floor mat, and car mats. Let's see their details in the following. First, let me show you the difference of the material. We have 2 different materials. One is super soft polyester material, which is skin friendly and has excellent absorbent, providing comfortable underfoot support, just like walking on the soft clouds. It's perfect for spaces like bathroom, bedroom. Another one is a rougher polyester material suitable for spaces like the entryway, kitchen, hall, or garage. Secondly, NonSlip bottom features high-quality rubber material to prevent the mat from shifting and skidding, protecting you and your family from any slipping. Among them, the floor mats are more slip-resistant and wear-resistant than bath mats because they are more suitable for outdoor use. And the same thing, due to the water on the mat can cause to slip, so please always keep the bottom being dry. Thirdly, we offer 3 sizes for our bath mat and floor mat for you, so you can choose the most perfect one to fit your space. Small one, 40 by 60 cm, the medium one, 50 by 80 cm, and the largest one is 60 by 90 cm. As far as we know, the most popular desktop heat press size is 40 by 50 cm, while our smallest mat size is 40 by 60 cm, so you need to have the large format heat press to do the printing to match different seasons and make a stylish home. If you don't have large format heat press, you could also do the printing part by part. The last one comes to our car mat. Car mat is also a common item in our daily life. The material is the same as the floor mat, featuring premium material and anti-slip rubber to keep your car mat securely in space, and offer protection for your car's interior and safety features. Additionally, it allows you to simply spray each mat clean of dirt, mud, grit, and grime, restoring the mat's luster and shine with each wash. You can also do your own personalized customization, making it your own unique item. We offer 2 sizes: the front seat, 43.5 by 68.5 cm, and the rear seat, 43.5 by 33 cm. So if you have a small format printer, you can print your own designs on real mats. For the front seat, it needs a large format printer, unlike the bath and floor mat. You can also do the printing part by part to freely realize your own individual needs. Okay, the above is our sharing for new release mats today. Hope you will find the items you like. This is Jessica. We are Lopo. Join us, let's make life memorable.